Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the reverse charging test in the Poco M2 Pro device by charging the Poco X2 smartphone, as you can see right now. So the Poco M2 Pro has a 5000 mAh of battery capacity, so where it can actually reverse charge any other Android device or any other iPhone device as well. But for an example, I have taken the Poco X2 smartphone in this video. So I got the Type-C cable two ways. There's a Type-C, as you can see, and I got the normal USB cable and the Type-C, as you can see, friends. So where with the USB cable I need to use the OTG adapter here, but with the Type-C to Type-C cable I don't need to use any kind of adapter. So we'll be testing two charging speed rates. So let's see which charging speed rate is faster in which kind of charger. So you can plan according to that. You can buy that. If Type-C is working fine, then you can buy the Type-C cable. If the USB is working good, then definitely you can use the default USB cable. So let's get started without wasting any time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, and also do check the links in description for exactly what wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones. So never forget to check the playlist links in description, and always share my videos with your friends and help me to grow my channel as soon as possible. So let's get started with the first test, which I'll be doing as normal, which is the connecting the OTG cable, and I'll be connecting the USB cable to the Poco M2 Pro device. As you can see right now, I connected the Poco M2 Pro here, and let me try to connect the other side of this cable to the Poco X2 smartphone. So right now you can see the cable is completely on the table only. So let me try to charge the Poco X2. So let's see how fast it can actually charge. As soon as you connect the USB cable, you do get this kind of notification. Definitely we'll choose no data transfer. So actually the phone is started to charge. So let me try to open the application which I'll be measuring the charging speed rate. So this is a battery charging monitor where we can actually monitor the charging speed. So right now you can see here, it's the maximum it could reach up to 451 milliamperes. So which is very low. If you ask me, if I compare with the normal 27 watts charger which came with the Poco X2, the highest speed would go around, I think, 4500 milliamperes. So that kind of speed I would get with a normal default charger, but with a reverse charging using that USB cable in this method, you're not getting that much good amount of charge right now in this phone, as you can see here. So initially I connected the only Poco X2, but I thought the Poco X2 is charging very low, so let me try with the other mobile phone. So here is the Mi 10 Lite, so which I connected to the Poco M2 Pro right now. As you can see right now, it's reverse charging, but you can see the speed as well, it's very low. It's 160 milliamperes, and the maximum is 372, as you can see, friends. So now let me disconnect and connect the Honor 9X Pro, as you can see. So here is Honor 9X Pro which I connected. So charge only. So let's see what is the maximum will be recorded here. So as you can see, friends, the maximum, I think it's only recorded up to 206 milliamperes only. You can clearly see the difference in terms of slow charging using this USB cable. So now let me try the Redmi K20 Pro using this USB cable. So let's see how much this phone actually can be charged. So let me try to open the application. So here is application charging battery monitor. So as you can see, friends, clearly, so the conclusion is that if you use this USB adapter and this kind of USB cable, then the charging would be very slow, and it takes so much of time actually to reverse charge any mobile. So let's try the other method, the Type-C to Type-C cable. So let me disconnect all of these adapters and USB cable, and let me start with the beginning with the Poco X2 smartphone. So it is a Poco X2, and it is a Poco M2 Pro. So now it's pretty simple, Type-C to Type-C cable. So not much, without using any kind of adapters. So definitely this kind of small Type-C cable is pretty useful in this kind of scenarios. As you can see, friends, right now there's a double the amount of charging you are getting right now exactly. So this with a Type-C to Type-C cable, you can see completely here. So Type-C to Type-C cable, right now I am charging. So you can see the maximum is around 554 milliamperes. And one thing is that if you observe the constant speed, the charging speed is continuously maintaining above 450 milliamperes. So that's I think double and triple the amount of charging speed which we got before. So that's a very good result. So definitely if you want to use the phone for the reverse charging, you need to have this kind of type C to type C cable, which makes the charging speed very much faster and double the speed you can get easily. So definitely using the Poco M2 Pro, you can easily able to charge any other phone, but there will be a loss of battery during the charging. So right now I'll be connecting to the Honor 9X Pro device. So Honor 9X is also kind of double the speed. So before I used to get 100 milliamperes or 70 milliamperes, something like that, but now you are getting a 170 milliamperes with a constant speed. So constant charging rate is maintaining in this phone. So let me now try with the Redmi K20 Pro device. So it is a Redmi K20 Pro. Let me try with this phone. Let's see what is the charging speed we can get here. As you can see, friends, it's very surprising that the charging speed is of 800 milliamperes. So it's very much huge. That's a very good result in terms of using the Redmi K20 Pro's device. Definitely, I can see this is a huge improvement in terms of charging speed. So even when you compare with the Poco X2 now in the Redmi K20 Pro, I'm getting very good amount of charge from the Poco M2 Pro. You can see. So this is a way to charge using the Poco M2 using this kind of Type-C to Type-C cable. So always prefer to use the Type-C to Type-C cable every time to reverse charge any kind of smartphone. So that's it for this video, friends. For more videos, to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and definitely try to use the Type-C to Type-C cable in terms of reverse charging. Then you will get a very good results. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.